And I thank sir for taking so much pains. Every session has gone beyond 2 hours and it has nearly become 3 hours. So, and one more added lecture, sir. You are really great.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. We are really grateful to you for such a patient teaching, as well as there has
clearing
been
all the doubts.
Yes, always, and really patient with every small doubt from everyone, and extending the time, extending the lecture. That's really, thank you so much. And there is lots to learn, and we were really we are fortunate to get in touch with you, and really thank you so much.
Please stop. Who is speaking? Hello. Hello.
Sir, Neela here.
Yes,
I
Neela.
also want to say, as usual, every class I attend, it's one of the great experience. And the very unique thing of this particular course was, first of all, it's a medical astrology. Very few people are able to cover everything. But the entire 11 classes, it was vast, enormous, it was huge. These are the words I could recollect when I'm looking at the entire 10 classes which we had. Each and every the view was there, sir. The 360-degree view you have given to us, and many times you said, "Let me finish the class, and if still you have you think that there is something remaining, I will ask me the question." And no one could ask you a question at the end of the class. So that was one good thing. And also, last time, like you said, now I am hungry. We were 3 hours over, and still, no one was tired. It's frankly speaking, medical astrology is a very boring, because it's very delicate subject. But everyone was so involved after 3 hours, and everyone was, most of them were asking questions to you, including me. And still you patiently answered all the questions every point of time. It was a great experience as usual, and we love to be part of your course in future also. There are certain suggestions I want to give. Certain subjects, like, sir, simple subject of D9, I have not find the 360 degree of D9, sir. With due respect to all the legends I have seen, I have heard, I have not seen that. So like D9, sir, even profession also, there are many new aspects coming, because things are totally changed. And if, as we believe in Deshkal Paristiti, I think these are very simple subjects, but can be taken. And of course, Gemini, Katpayadi, Gemini, if you think on that, you will be the great asset if you take courses on that, sir. Very few people can take, sir.
Sure, definitely.
Very true, very true.
We are grateful.
Sir, yes, I back him. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
So you should conduct classes on divisional charts. It's a personal request. Really.
Sure, definitely, sir.
We will all be there. I will be there for sure.
Please tell sir what you all want to say, because sir is not reading your messages. And
Sir, I must say,
one by
you
one,
have
please come on.
infinite
come
patience.
online. Yes.
Sure.
Thank you, sir, so much. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. For your
Thank you very
guidance.
much, sir. Thanks for the guidance, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Namaste, Sir Shri Hari. This has
Yeah.
been a wonderful experience,
Yes,
all through completely. And as Nilay, explained, this is, I think it will take more time for us, working on it, and then we need to practice a lot, and we need to keep refreshing ourselves with all the concepts. Otherwise, I think after some time, probably I think it will probably forget it. One more request, sir, from you. I just want to just remind you that about that heart and lung transplant case. Can you please?
Now I'll mention. Because I was lacking in time, so whatever is put,
I'm just reminding.
I
Sorry
will
about that.
comment on it. Sure.
So that was a very.
I'll definitely comment
thing,
on everything which you have posted.
Sure, sir. Wonderful.
William, sir,
thanks a lot.
excellent.
Thank you very much.
William, sir, excellent session.
Thank you,
really
Satyaji.
appreciate all your efforts, sir. And very good knowledge sharing, and cleared everybody's doubts. So much hard work. Thank you so much, sir. And thank you, Shikha ji. Great work, ma'am.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Satyaji, thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Satyaji.
Thank you
so
to
much.
everyone.
Thank you,
to all
sir.
the participants.
Always very detailed. always very,
Satyaji and Shikha madam, thank you so much. You also helped me a lot, Shikha ma'am.
Satyaji and Shikha ma'am.
Most welcome, most welcome.
Thank you, thank you. If any problem from my side, I ask for forgiveness. There are so many people I have to deal with, so sometimes it just with this COVID and everything, I don't know. But thank you so much. You have made the sessions really great. All of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank
I
you so
always
much.
wanted to do this course on medical astrology, but I did not find anywhere in the Indian market, frankly speaking. I searched a lot. And when Shikhaji reached out to me, I said, no, I have to do this course. So thank you so much. And I think after going through the classes, I have been seeing some of the horoscopes of my family members. I could even tell people, oh, do you have cholesterol problem? Do you have thyroid? And some of the family members, they said, oh, yes, but why are you asking suddenly? Right. So it was very interesting to see within the family, at least you can identify and probably recommend some remedies. And sir, one most important thing, the way you are responding to all the Facebook posts, right? Every single post. I have not seen any teacher, any other, and I have learned from others. But I think going through every single post and giving explanation, that was very nice. And that's a repository for us. I think if we can keep that Facebook group active, because it's difficult to copy all the charts, it's a repository. I think that will be very helpful, Shikhaji, if we can just keep it active.
The Facebook group will be there. You all can discuss. Sir can also answer. There is no problem. We will not delete that group at all.
Great. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shikhaji, to you as well. And
Yeah, hopefully that group will in future will bring some good research between all the students and sirs under sirs guidance. So let's hope that we all learn much more in
medical astrology. You learn first thing what's lacking in medical astrology. You need charts of diseases.
Yes.
Like a particular disease, you have 10 charts. You yourself can study, find the common factor and find out. So there's a place where people are posting it so much. I took like so many years to collect these charts. So here in this group, people are posting and posting. It was like wealth when you can find out so many things. No, you can relate with it.
Vedic vision. Also in Vedic vision, a lot of people ask questions. We could collect, or whenever I respond to someone, I tell them, please post your chart. Please post your chart.
Yes, it's very, very important. We learn only from practical examples, not from theories. Yes. You have to, very generalized rules are given in most classics. You will have to actually apply, and you can yourself deduct what will be the exact problem.
Yes, yes.
And sir, I want to ask one question, sir. What is the secret of your stamina? How do you speak for more than 3 hours continuously?
Actually, I think the interest of the subject, that is the main reason.
Sir, one more thing from my side.
I believe he's really grounded. Great.
We should compare courses of 11 days, whatever courses everyone has attended, Shikha ma'am has taken. How many courses has got so many charts?
Yes, agreed.
This should be the first course, according to me, that every class 30, so around 500, I mean 400 to 500 charts must have been there, sir, if I'm correct.
Medical astrology can't be explained without example charts. It has to go with the example charts.
So thank you very much.
You must take divisional charts class.
Sure. Definitely, sir. I'll take your suggestion. Definitely.
Thank you so much, sir. You were amazing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your detailed things, and look forward for more of your courses. And I think something on the timing is one, I think it will help a lot of us. I think be it the health issues or the job or other related things. I think something specific on timings using all the basic charts as well as the Varga charts and the Dashas. If something on that sort, if it can be planned, I think that would be great. It will help all of us, sir.
Sir has already given me a new course. I will announce it very shortly as soon as sir gives me the content. He's already given me the topic, so I'll definitely I'll send it to everyone. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Shikhaji, also for you.
Shikhaji, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Wonderful.
Thank you, sir. Thanks, sir. Thanks once again, and have a great day. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Shikhaji, thank you so much.
I wish everybody a lot of very good health.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.